Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about people who live in glass houses. This is the title of the video. It's a little play on words here, but glass, and you all have heard me harp upon this, and it's the worst surface we can have in any critical listening audio room. It has aberrations on frequency response. It's just hard and brittle. It does a lot of other things. If it has large surface areas, it goes diaphragmatic. It actually moves with low frequency pressure. I have heard rooms with plate glass windows and home theaters installed where the wall makes more sound, low frequency rumble, than the subwoofer. So glass is a horrible surface. And you can see in this picture that this stereo system is all set up in a glass room. Now, there's some Venetian blinds or some particular covering over the window, but you got to realize that that only works for middle and high frequencies. So the low frequencies go right through that, strike the glass, get the glass moving, then they come back and they bounce against the treatment, not the low frequencies so much, but the middle and high frequency, bounce against the blinds, and you have that little pocket there, and that turns into a resonating cavity or chamber. So you have to be very, very careful with glass. I will not design a new room with glass in it. You have to have glass, call someone else, because I'm that adamant about how negative it is in the presentation for critical listening environment. So we have to be very careful with it. Now, I understand in mix rooms and control rooms, you have to see the talent, you have to see the artist, you have to communicate visually with them. Some studios now even use monitor systems, cameras and monitors, and communicate through intercoms. But the bottom line here is glass is such a big negative in our rooms. We have to be very, very careful about where it is. If you must have it in a room, it has to be behind you. It cannot be in front. It cannot be impacting the reflections from the side walls, front wall, ceiling. You can't have glass at all. We can have a little bit in the front if it's in the back and below the listening position or below our ears, which is usually never the case, right? Because they're usually higher up on the wall structure. So stay away from glass. Glass is a real negative thing. Even if you cover it, it has issues by moving and going diaphragmatic against low frequency pressure. I know it's nice to have natural light in the room, but there's other ways that we can do that with the ceiling. So when you're choosing an audio room, just keep glass out of the equation. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.